Well, hey guys, I couldn't sleep, so I decided to come out and, you know, check out the dam. It's been raining like crazy. Yeah, so I guess I won't be fishing for a while. Let you guys check that out. Oh man, that's freaking awesome. I did go out in the rain a couple weeks back when the hurricane was rolling up. I guess I'll go ahead and work on that video along with this. It's pretty cool. It has been raining. It's only been raining for about like 3 days, but it's been like heavy non-stop rain. So here's what we got. They got every floodgate opened over here. The bridge is getting slammed. Man, I haven't seen it open this big in a while. It is crazy. So yeah. Good stuff. That's that. No fishing for a while, guys. Finally. It's alright. Good drag. If it doesn't come loose, because I know these hooks aren't that great right now. Hello, guy. Sure hit hard. Oh, that's a bit of a grind, mister. Thanks for cooperating. Ain't too bad. He's probably a keeper. Not that I'm keeping. Oh, there he goes. I didn't even get a good look at him. It's cool though. Got me freaking drenched the way it goes my shoes. Nice, that took forever. Well, I don't know. I guess the majority of the white ones here are fished out. It's pretty dry. Kinda sucks. But at least we didn't get skunked today. Finally hooked up, boys, on a good one. Stay on track. Actually, I think I'm actually gonna have to play with this one. Get you out of the current, sir. Did not know he even hit, to be honest. Yeah, there's so much slack in my line. I'm surprised he's still on. Oh no, I hit the rock. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh man, what a bummer. Damn, that would have been a good one, I think. I don't know, the current's pretty fast right here. Been a decent one. Man, this is why I like being on like kayaks so much more. You can stay out of the rocks more when you're on land. Yeah. Big up to my part right there. I could feel where my braid started rubbing against that rock. Big oops on my part. Oh bad. Dang it. Feels bad. Well, that was a pretty good fish. Took my one umbrella rig. Can't even tie your freaking leader on right now. Yeah, that was a good fish. the way I should have played that, I should have taken it over there across the big rock and taken it to less rapid water. It was literally sitting in some really fast water, and then it just came across that rock and snap. Unfortunate on my part, haven't lost a fish in a while, to be honest. Not like that, at least. It really sucks. Tie up and get back out there, and hopefully there's more. Hopefully there's a bigger one. Literally got out there at the right spot, just let it slowly drift. Hopefully they come up and pop it. That smaller one, he's taking drag. I think it's a small one. Please get out of those rocks. And now need to get you out of those rocks. Yes, he ain't that big. Yeah, I just gotta throw it at the right area. Yeah, them's are the rocks over there that cut me off. Here, bud. Yeah, he got pretty close to me when he cut me off. So, explains a lot. Not a bad one. Actually, not a bad one at all. You hit the right one, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, literally just gotta hit the right spot. I think I know where that right spot is now. But here we go. That's a nice 24 incher, 23 incher. Fought pretty hard in this current. That's the thing. Thanks, bud. Go grow. Yeah, I literally had to pull that guy out of the current. Otherwise, he would have cut me off right there, but that last one cut me off. Drop the water? I think they did drop the water a little bit. Yeah. Oh, man. That was a good fight, though. The current definitely makes them fight a lot harder. Alright, yeah, as much as I'd like to stick around, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it. The oil's getting nastier anyway, so I'm gonna go. They just kind of like blew a little silent horn at me, or subtle horn at me, so pretty sure they're gonna go ahead and just open up the gates. They're already slowly cracking them open. It's already looking sketch, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I'll call today a successful day, even though I fudged up and I lost that one. Umbrella rig's still doing work. Was hoping I catch them on the Elias shads, but oh well. Just gonna go ahead and call it, play it safe. I don't want to be fighting the fish while the gates are on. We'll see. Till next time, whenever that is.